do you think? Does that look like you?
Oh, shh. No.
Sit. Jeez.
What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
And that makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me? Like how?
You like the oh?
Really has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you. Oh.
Vente, Sandy.
Video. Look at him. Yeah, going back and forth with his tail.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you.
Oi, oi.
Is it yummy? Want another piece?
Hey, come here, brother. Come on. Stop pouting. Are you cheating on me?
Hey. Do you love me?
I'm gonna tell Papa.
Catch it.
I don't blame you, she's not.
You cut it fucking thing.
What, my intel is no good?
No, it's no good.
See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that not only Justin.
You want a treat?
Got your ass.
Did you do this?
We have to go take a bath.
Makes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't need me to the house, right?
Het was ja, heel gezellig.
Bang. Yes, good boy.
I don't think he's excited.
my gosh. Oh my gosh. Leo, hey! Leo!
Okay, get down. You don't. You get down. No. Okay.
Maddie. Oh! I hear him. I don't see. Oh, there he is. Where's the man? Yes, I see you.
That makes it not give a crap.
Get up, puppy.
Yes. What is that?
Tucker, why are you sitting like a human?
It's just a baby cow we're taking home with us.
Butt. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
Just a little one.
Oh my goodness, you all right?
Stay. He's so creepy. Yeah, bitch. Say. He did it. Good boy.
No, Marcus. Hey.
Whisper. Whisper. Whisper.
So I'll find that footage. We'll grab him up. Hondo will find Nolan before Straight does.
Hey, behave.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know how to get to the beach? Oh God.
Slow down.
And then what? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Are you crazy?
Got it.
Megan, sorry, Megan.
Get your damn dog! Run! Get the fuck out!
Run.